soupalawyer@gmail.com.
Hey, Soupalawyer here. You can check me out on soupalawyer.com. soupalawyer.com. The Soup of the Day. We're going to get into Pennsylvania Article 1 Declaration of Rights, subsection 8. Your right against unreasonable searches and seizures. So I was reading a case law, and in this case law it was speaking about William Penn. And it was talking about how the Crown had ordered William Penn to not hold services after a certain time, and somehow a confidential informant went back to the Crown and told the Crown that William Penn and a bunch of other people was holding services after the doors was closed. So what they did was the Crown had seized William Penn. They brought him into court, and they tried to, hold trial on him about, violating what they told him not to do, which was hold any meetings after the doors are closed and all of that. So what happened? William Penn, he beat the case. He won a case, and from that experience, he came back over here and he started writing Pennsylvania Constitution, Article 1, Declaration of Rights, subsection 8, the right against unreasonable seizures. And the reason why he wrote this basically was because he didn't want us to go through what he had went through. So he had wrote this constitutional right. And actually this right had been around years before the Fourth Amendment of the United States Constitution. So without that situation happening to William Penn, we wouldn't even have the Pennsylvania Constitution, Article 1, Declaration of Rights, subsection 8, right against unreasonable searches and seizures. And it makes good sense that, for us to have more protection under the Pennsylvania Constitution than the United States Constitution, which we'll discuss a little further. We'll discuss later in some other videos, or maybe on a talk show, Don Heroic and Monica talk show that you could catch on salpeers.com. That's SALPEERS.com. But this is the Soup of the Day, man. Article 1, subsection 8, the Pennsylvania Constitution, right against unreasonable searches and seizures. You gotta check it out. You could Google it, and you gotta use this right. Know your rights, man. Know the law, know the case law, know the Pennsylvania rules of criminal procedures, no rules of evidence. It's all helpful, man. It'll help you in making good arguments to get your charges dismissed. It'll help you to make good arguments to get the evidence suppressed. You always want to use case laws. You always want to use your constitutional rights. You always want to use rules. So it's good to know these things. But this is the Soup of the Day, man. I'm always souped up. Anytime you get good information to assist you with litigation, you souped up. We souped up together, man. Soup always make us feel better, so hope you feel better. Hope to catch you here next time on soupalawyer.com. Peace.